है तो 10 लाइन्स ही लिखनी है. डोंट राइट मोर देन 10 लाइन्स. ओके, आपको 3 टॉपिक्स दिए हुए हैं, उसमें से आपने एक टॉपिक पर लिखना है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन है एप्लीकेशन. आप जब भी फर्स्ट टाइम मॉल गए होंगे तो आपने ओनली 10 लाइन्स लिखनी है. मतलब 5 डायलॉग्स किसी और के होंगे और 5 जो सेकंड पर्सन है उसके. ठीक है.
In their desired way, it means that you are going in the right direction.
And there's also that
I go temple.
Let me set an example for you. That is, nowadays people are feeling jealous from.
Strength is very matter in your life.
Good morning to all of you. Today I would like to share my topic. My topic is
I want to learn English because I want to overcome my hesitation or weakness and
Trees. Udhar.
You have to understand other people.
That is my own principle, which I made in any situation, in any condition. If
Is in a very important role in our life.
There are lots of things which is we can make
I would like to thank you to my respective teacher.
He wants to blood.
our earth because that
and we can't able to understand in front of person's feeling and whatever he or she want to say.
we don't do hard work, so we cannot achieve our target.
A positive, be positive. If any in a hospital we doing blood donation by.
First, now tell me that just how are you standing? How are you feeling there standing over here?
I'm staying.
Speak louder as I am speaking. Speak louder. Hold this mic like it, and then try to speak. Use your hand like this, and try to speak like this. That you are speaking in front of millions of the people. Feel it. 1 or 2 minutes hardly you are going to speak. How are you feeling right now?
So, my name is Ayushi. I'm feeling really very blessed to have here, and it's really very great. I had never ever got this kind of opportunity, and feeling that I'm just I'm sitting in a great audience. I'm just delivering speech very well, and everybody is listening me very well. I just feel mesmerized myself that I am just delivering my speech very well, so that all students are very happy to listen me.
What you would like to tell something about this environment? How does it impact you? This environment. Tell something about this environment. Right now, how it's been created and how it is impacting you, affecting you.
Yes, the question sir asked me, I will tell about that. Its impact, it's great impact on me. I never ever thought that I'm going to get this kind of atmosphere. It impacted me a lot. I felt positive that. Now I feel that next time I could speak very well, and I can deliver my speech among the 100 of the people. That's a lot.
You should take. Again, you gave spoken test or you spoke in front of people over the mic. Tell something about your experience of today. Louder and confidently. Speak.
So, very good afternoon to all. I would like to give my experience in front of all the audience. It was very fantastic because I knew how to speak in front of the people while I will get the chance, because sir already told me and he taught me a lot of things, so that's why I am able to speak in front of the people. That's all.
That's good. Nikita, you should hold now. You should deliver. How is your experience today? First time you told that means I am holding it and I am speaking in front of all. Just express your experience.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, as I said that this is my first time that I'm holding the mic for the very first time, and yes, I was
Louder.
Yes, I was not much confident earlier. So I was like my thoughts was like that I'm not able to do anything right now because I was too what should I say? I was too depressed at that moment due to some reasons, so which is I have faced. So right now I am much better than earlier, and I feel like that this is the moment where I can do lots of things for my a wonderful future. And yes, I will make it definitely happen, and like I will make it, make it definitely. So this is like it was my first, and it was my first day, which is
Experience.
yeah,
First
it was my
experience.
first experience to speak up with, front of lots of people. So I was good and great, and I wish to myself that so that I could be better in the next session of the speaking. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Rukshara. Just tell about your experience.
Today.
Yeah, right now. If you want to come here, you can come. Now try to speak.
And the today's experience was very good for me because that is the first day for me, and where I can speak whatever I want to speak in the front of the people, and I will try to make it luminous and stunning for everyone. It should be stunning for everyone because everyone wants the same thing in their life, but the matter they come on the point for their chance for getting opportunity on that time they try to lose that. So according to me, as far as I know about it, so we should not lose any kind of the opportunity which comes by itself. So
Rukshara,
that's
what
all
would you
about
like to give the message to those students, to those people, or to those children just who are taking the chance of spoken test or any test lightly? They are taking lightly. They are not coming. They are not. They are procrastinating. They are avoiding. They are leaving. So give a message to those people. What they are losing.
Okay, sir. As I already mentioned about it here, I want to share a beautiful words and beautiful headline which is said by greatest person. And as I already told in class, we should not lose any kind of the opportunity. And a lady, she asked something from someone else, and she said, which type of the confidence do you have for the building your personality in the front of the someone, and how have you made this kind of the things? So he said, he offered a check to that lady, and he said to her, you should write an amount over it, and I would give you. Atmosphere where we can speak and where we can enhance our beauty in the front of the someone.
Clapping for her. Biggest clap for her. Fantastic. Shami, you should take this.
Thank you, sir.
Speak about your experience today.
It was a great experience today.
You just explain it. What did you learn from today's experience, from today's presentation?
Okay, so as I compared myself, that before 20 days, I was not able to introduce myself in front of 2 or 3 people, but between 20 days now, I'm able to speak in front of so many people.
About your experience.
It was good, and before I am not able to speak in front of people. I'm always getting nervous and hesitate. But right now I'm speaking, and I don't have any nervousness.
Very good. Beta, fantastic. You should take now. Don't fear to hold it. Speak something. What your experience today?
Sir, it was good. It was good.
Explain it.
Sir, I am feeling very hesitation of while speaking, but today I am speaking very well before.
Fantastic. You should come. Being as a trainer of English, what you would like to wish to those students just who are performing well for their life development, and give the message to those people just who are not serious regarding it. Being as an great personality, a great trainer of this new institute. Speak something.
So very good afternoon all of you. My name is Priyanshu. I am in front of you all guys. I would like to say one thing to you all, because our biggest fear is our insult. We always fear from our insult. What will people think about us? What will they say about us? What are they thinking about us? We always think about them. If you are thinking about them, so what will or who will think about you? I would like to ask this question to you all. We always think about others, what will they think about us? I always say to my students and to all, whoever we are with me, I always say to them, never ever you need to think about others. You just need to give your priority to yourself. Because when you will think about yourself, then God will give you something. Then people will give you value. We are losing our values because of ourselves. No one can give you value until you give yourself. Because of that, I would like to suggest to you all this thing. Whenever opportunity is coming to you, you don't need to lose it. Because the success is not a big achievement and big thing for us. Success is just a part of our preparation. If you are really prepared, so success can meet you at any point. If you are really prepared, so success can meet you at your home. It means you just need to be prepared every time. Whatever opportunity is coming to you, you just need to be ready for that. It means you just need to be ready for die. Die means you need to be ready for sacrifice anything. As if I am feeling nervous, if I am feeling any hesitation in myself, if I am giving you an example, but I will never ever feel this thing, I can't do it. Because if I will feel this thing, I can't do it, so people and all will not give me value. So because of that, I would like to suggest to all students, those who are really procrastinating themselves, they are really losing themselves, they are not holding themselves at the moment of the examination day. Right now we are having the spoken test. It is really very incredible day for me. Whenever I speak in front of people, it is my really love. If earlier I used to find the hobby, what is my hobby? I didn't have any life. But right now I can say that whenever I am speaking in front of people, I am really liking this thing. I am loving this thing to speak in front of people. Whenever they are listening me, I feel this thing, I am really guided. I am becoming a preceptor in front of them. I am feeling as a God. Because God always says and people think about them. And people listen about them. So whenever I speak in front of everyone, I feel this thing, I am really happy. So we just need to make our mindset as we will feel happy. You don't need to think about anyone, what will people think about you. You just need to think about yourself. Be motivated, be confident always, because your motivation comes by your insult. Because whenever we are seeing any videos on YouTube, this is just temporary motivation. If I am motivating you, you will lose it after some time. Whenever you will leave your class, you will lose it. You will forget all the words. But whenever you are feeling insult in front of the people, that can make you really motivated person. That insult can make you the person by which you can kill anything. Your words can kill anyone. I always say this thing, the biggest important part of our body is our tongue. Our hands are not too much important and our legs. But our tongue is really too much important part of our body. We just need to give value to our tongue. It means we just need to think about our words. We just need to think about our speech, how we are speaking, how we will speak in front of people. So just think always about yourself. Never ever talk and never ever think about others. What will they think about you? Because first and main important point is you. Always we find the biggest point is that we always think about the magics and miracles in the world. But I would like to say this thing, the biggest miracle and magic is you. You don't need to find it outside because it is in your side. If you will consider it, it is in your side. So no one can make you down. No one can make you less than others. Because you are feeling this thing right now, I am becoming something more. You are feeling this thing, you are giving value towards yourself. So always give value to yourself. Always feel motivated, always feel this thing, you can do everything, never ever compare yourself, because lion and ant doesn't have any difference between both. So you are really lion, you are really something that can roar every time. You need to roar and do your best. Thank you so much.
Clapping.